Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. So this is one of our projects here. We're casting the first floor slab. So before anything, even before you start your concrete peel, you need to check off your stuff like your MEP works, electrical stuff, AC stuff, all this thing you need to check, and you need to make sure it is probably installed, and then you are going to check your slab if it's clean or not, and even the thickness, the par spacing. After that you are going to start your peeling. So you're gonna start with beams. After you finish your beams, you are going to peel your slabs. So as you can see here, our team is working so hard to get a perfect results. So during the peeling, you need to check also the vibration and make sure that the concrete is vibrated correctly, and then also the level of surface, which is very important. So as I said, we continuing our peeling process, and I'm going to come up with updates later. Thank you guys.